Hadith 1007, Abu Lubaba Bashir ibn Abdul Mundhir radiyallahu anh reported, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "He who does not recite the Quran in a pleasant tone is not of us." Abu Dawood.
Right. So this is the beautification of the voice, and it's not ghina as in to make it as these songs which are a'udhu billah, to make it like that, but to say the Quran in a melody. It's not to be recited normally. To recite it unless you are quoting the Quran. So like for example, Prophet of Allah, he quoted in his khutbah al-hajah number of verses. And when he makes the khutbah, he does not do the melody inside. So when he says, Inna alhamdulillah, nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruhu wa na'udhu billahi min shururi anfusina, to the end. يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله حق تقاته ولا تموتن إلا وأنتم مسلمون. He would not say, recitation of that. It's not. He would not make it with tartil when he is quoting the Quran, not making tartil of the Quran, recitation of the Quran.